What do you mean by juxtaposition? Well, it is a literary or rhetorical device that involves placing two or more elements or ideas side by side to compare, contrast, or highlight their relationships. Literary examples of juxtaposition: love versus hate and light versus dark in William Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. Communist ideas versus totalitarian reality in George Orwell's Animal Farm. Social class versus personal merit in Jane Austen's Pride and Prejudice.